Hello everyone! As you know, the sexy knob will begin shipping in a couple of months, so today we are very excited to show you all the improvements that we have done, so you will experience a high quality product upon arrival. In summary, in the past 3 months we were able to finalize a lot of design details. We make the footprint slimmer, we increase the brightness of the display, and we choose the most premium feel buttons for the knob. Last but not least, we were able to find a manufacturer that will print the body of the knob for us. In the past 30 days, we have been working on many minor but very important improvements, such as coloring, hinges and curves, so the knob can feel premium and be practical at the same time. A few days back we received the first official sample from the factory and we are pretty happy with it. We are confident that the next version will be even better. We have also designed our own USB-C cable, so it fits perfectly inside your central console. It's just the right length and it's also angled, so it doesn't take any extra room. Of course, we would like to ship this excellent setup in a premium looking case, so we designed the sexy knob packaging already, which feels very good in the hands, and everybody watching you unboxing it will feel jealous for not having one for themselves. And last but not least, the app. We will do a complete redesign of the sexy app, so it supports the knob and all its functionality, so the new design will blow your mind. It will be very easy to navigate the app and change the functions of the knob as well as the buttons, so we took all the feedback from our users and made the UX even better. Now let's address some of the questions you had after our previous videos. Make an option for left and right turn indicators for Project Highland models. Just like the sexy buttons, you will be able to program the sexy knob to activate the blinkers left and right by pressing the buttons or by rotating the knob. Is it possible to just use an OBD splitter if I also have another accessory in the car connection? Yes, you will be able to daisy chain the connectors, so you can have multiple accessories in your car. Do the light in the central console always stay lit when installing the knob? The light in the central console will shut off when you leave the vehicle and close the door, but it will stay on when you are inside the vehicle. However, the consumption of the LED is insignificant, it will not drain any additional battery. If you have a car that has both a second front screen and a rear screen, where would the best option be for mounting the commander? Since you have a screen at the back, I assume you always have passengers at your rear seats, so I suggest using the front installation. The good part is that we decided to ship the knob with both front and rear installation, so you can decide this at later stage when you are installing it. Can the knob change gears, because in newer Tesla the gear stalk is gone, so it would be awesome if it could do that. Yes, we are about to release the gear shift to the sexy buttons, so the sexy knob will have the same functionality and you will be able to change the gears very easy. Is it possible to change the regen level for Model 3 standard range, because there is no option anymore to change it via the user interface? Yes, you will be able to change the regen in increments between 0 and 100, even if you don't have the option on the display. You will see the changes on the sexy knob or inside our app. Will all the actions be reflected in the main display, specifically turning the rear seat heaters? The seat heaters will be reflected on the main display, as well as some other features. Unfortunately, due to Tesla's limitations, we cannot show all of them. The only worry I have is that the installation of the knob won't fit because of my central console organizer I have. As shown in our latest video, we were able to reduce the size of the knob with 20%, so most of the organizers will fit and you won't have any issues with it. However, we were not able to test all the variants of organizers, so we will leave the dimensions somewhere on the screen and you can check for yourself. And the last question for today is one of the most requested ones. I have a Model X, should I pre-order now or wait? Eventually we will make the sexy knob to work for all the Tesla models that the sexy buttons support currently, but we will need some more time to refine our first version and then we will jump to the other models so you can order it then. Well, here you go everyone. As you can see, we have made a lot of improvements in the right direction, and the important is that delivery timeline stands. If you ordered the sexy knob in August, you will receive it in December. If you still wonder if the sexy knob is for you, decide quickly. There are just few days left for the early bird price, so make up your mind and go to our website and pre-order your knob if you haven't done so far. Thank you for supporting us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in a month in the next video.